Hello guys, and welcome to this very quick and simple guide to getting started with MidJourney. Let's just get straight into the video without any introduction. So first of all, you're going to want to download Discord. So go on Google, type in Discord, create an account, download it, etc., connect it to your email, connect it to your mobile phone. It doesn't actually matter. Once you have the app downloaded and installed, you can click join the beta here, and this will take you to the Discord app. You can click continue. This will then you can log in here, and this will then bring you to this screen here. This is Discord, okay? I have my own Discord. As a quick side note, if you want to join, there will be a link in the description of this video. As you can see, it's quite an active Discord and people are discussing things like MidJourney, prompts, and much more. Once you're in here, do not get confused. I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything. Click on newbies 45 or newbies 15 or whatever number, it doesn't actually matter. The first thing you need to know is this bar here is your best friend, okay? This bar will save you from getting stuck many a time. The reason for that is because if you leave Discord, it will stay on this screen, and there'll be thousands of messages that you'll have to scroll through manually, but it's much better to just use this bar here to go up and down, okay? So that's the first thing I want to tell you about. The second thing is how to actually subscribe. So if you want to get the paid version of this, which gives you a load of really cool features, what you want to do is you want to do /subscribe here, okay? I'm going to have to quickly pause the video when I've sent this, but basically once this is done, you want to click on open subscriptions page. As you can see, my thing keeps getting lost because of Discord working in a really weird way. So I'm going to click on open subscription page. I'm going to have to quickly blur out this part of the video. Okay, so this will bring you to this screen, or it'll bring you to this screen where you'll see basic plan, standard plan, pro plan. Obviously, just like everybody else, I'm going with the basic plan just because may as well. This actually has unlimited relaxed generations, which is really nice, and I probably will upgrade to that if I start selling any of this AI art. But for now, the basic plan is enough to play around with. If you want to do yearly billing, then probably they are going to raise the prices. So it would be pretty smart if you have money to throw around to just pay $100 and get the yearly billing. Sorry, $96. But yeah, it's completely up to you. I'm doing monthly billing for now just because, yeah, why not? So once you are subscribed, you're then connected to the bot, basically. You're connected through your Discord. So again, look, I'm stuck in the middle of the page. I've gone back on Discord, so I'm going to hit the bar so that I can see where I should be. So now that if you've subscribed, you should see members support right here. Okay, what you want to do is you want to right-click MidJourney bot anywhere on Discord and click message. This brings you onto your private messaging thing with MidJourney. As you can see, I've already been playing around with it and I've created some nice designs, but I'm only going to show you a couple of design making techniques, and before we do anything else, let's just quickly go onto my Discord. I'm going to go to the MidJourney prompt section, and we're going to take this prompt, which was very kindly given to us by a viewer who I am now going to shout out before I forget. So shout out to Side Hustle Journey for sharing the prompt. This is what you get for being generous and sharing the prompt with us. Thank you so much for pushing me to use MidJourney, because I probably would have never done it if it wasn't for you. So shout out to youtube.com/@-MJ. I will leave a link to your channel in the description as well. But yeah, basically I've been playing around with this quite a lot, and all you do is you do /imagine and then you put a prompt here. I'm going to go back to the prompt that I was using yesterday, which was a panda sleeping in a bed, eating bamboo. I'm going to show you exactly how I made a keyword which I believe will sell on my print-on-demand platform, which I'm trying not to talk about too much in my videos because I want it to be a secret, at least for now. So let's let that load, and while that's loading, I'm going to show you how I found the keyword, which I'm now going to use. So I went on Google Ads. I made the design first. It doesn't matter if you made the design first and then the keyword, or vice versa. It's the same thing, purely because you can literally make anything with this tool if you try hard enough. So it doesn't matter which way around you do it. So what I did was I just typed in panda shirt because I wanted to find a keyword that was connected to pandas in some way. And then I clicked on 3-month change, and I actually found this keyword right here, which is I hate mornings panda. So you're probably seeing where I'm gonna go with this. I then searched I hate mornings panda. I had a quick look on a couple of different print-on-demand websites, and none of them had that much competition, to be honest with you. I hate mornings panda here, 243 results. Amazon, this is just the actual thing. So what I noticed was a lot of them were just little cute things, and what I wanted to try was taking over keywords with AI art, which it looks like this might be something that other people are already doing potentially, but yeah. So let's have a quick look. I kind of like number 2 the most, so what we're going to do is we're going to do upscale 2, which will, so computers read left to right, so left, right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. What I did then was I clicked on U2, which means upscale 2. What else you can do is you can do variation 2, which will create variations. If you like this design, you can click V2 and it will create 4 variations of this design, basically. But I want to upscale this because I'm already very happy with this design. This is already amazing. And yeah, we're just going to quickly wait for that to finish. Okay, so you can see this is an absolutely beautiful image. It's now been upscaled. Wow, that is really nice image. We're going to hit save here, and we're going to go on Kittle. You can use Canva as well. I prefer Kittle just because it's got a little bit better text, and I'm really bad with text in the first place, so yeah, I just generally prefer to use Kittle for that one specific reason. And we're going to click upload like this, and we're going to hit upload like this, and that should put our beautiful image onto Kittle. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Do we need to actually remove background here? Maybe, because otherwise it'll be a weird square. It should look fine on a black t-shirt, to be honest with you, so I don't think I'm even going to bother with the AI removal. I think that'll look fine on a t-shirt. Please correct me if I'm wrong, which I normally am about these kind of things. So I'm just going to leave it because I think on a black t-shirt this should look, actually I can see what it looks like by changing this to black. Yeah, it looks fine. This is just how it should look. I think anyway, I'm going to quickly just try AI background remover, just see if we can get a nice shape to it, but it's probably going to take away, yeah, a lot of the image. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, that's fine. We'll just leave it like this, and we're going to click add headline, and we're going to add this one here. And what I like to do is just put loads of spaces between this and this, so that it's enough apart to be on top and on the bottom. I really hate, make that a little bit bigger, like this. Okay, where's that headline? Go away. And then we're going to put another enter in here, and we're going to write mornings here. Mornings. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then we're going to center it, and we don't have to middle it. And then yeah, that's it. That's how we're going to make the design. And then we just click download, remove background, optimize quality, PNG, obviously. You can make the text a bit bigger and things like that. This is just an example, guys, just to get this done as quickly as possible. Now we can either upload it to Redbubble, we can upload it to Etsy, we can upload it to whatever the hell you guys want to upload it to, basically. And that's it. That's how you get started with MidJourney. This can be used for print on demand. It says so on the page where you sign up to MidJourney. So I really wanted to make this video just because I know that a lot of people are probably struggling with understanding how this tool actually works. That's a very quick example of how to use it, how to find a keyword, and how to make some money using MidJourney. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate this tool because I would never be able to make anything even close to this quality without it. I'll see you really soon with some more content, and peace out.